I kinda just turned my camera on today and I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about. That was a fucking lie because I almost died the other day. I was walking on the sidewalk and then there's this car going straight across the street from me, and instead of that car braking, he kinda just swerved onto the sidewalk that I was walking on and like literally almost hit me. He didn't say sorry or anything. He was kinda just like, oh, my insurance is gonna be so high right now. Oh, you could have killed a fucking human being and then I could have fucking sued you or something. Even though this kid was one of the stupidest people in the world, I kinda have to thank him because he kind of inspired me to make this video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you guys 15 ways not to die. It might not even be 15 ways. It might be 14 or like 12. But just go along with it. Don't get hit by a car. That would be really stupid. If you can, avoid falling asleep in the desert because it gets really cold and really hot. Don't fall asleep in the shower. I don't know if it'd actually kill you, but Pringly Fingers are so 2006 and I really don't want you guys to have a fashion meltdown. Don't fall on a knife. Don't forget to take your tampon out because sometimes I do that and it gets really dry, and like, if you did fall on a knife, make sure not to do it again because I don't think it'll make it any better. Did you take your tampon out yet? Because I almost forgot to and I don't want you to forget either. If a killer ever comes up to you, just be like, ah, I forgot to zip for my dog's chest hair. And he will either just walk away or just be very concerned for your dog. Avoid smoking crack from your neighbor's dog's girlfriend's mom because it's never a good idea to smoke crack. Okay, kids, I'm serious. Drugs are bad, and if you're gonna smoke crack, at least invite a mature adult like myself so I can go and smoke crack with. This is probably the stupidest video I've ever made, which is why it's perfect for this channel, which also happens to be my main channel. I just posted a new video over on XTube. I swear to God that didn't happen. I'm only joking. Porn is a sin. You're going to hell. Don't go on XTube. If you guys know of any ways that you could totally die, but it's totally completely avoidable, then comment down below because I'd love to hear them. That is it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a nice big thumbing because you know how much I like nice big thumbings. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!